Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is video number 42. In this video, we will learn value and value to text in Excel. So let's start. Let's start the value function. The value function convert the text that looks like a number into a real number. So here in this data, you can see in salary column have some amount with the different formatting with the different symbol. Okay, so here I convert this number into real number. So I select the cell used is equal to enter here the value. Select the value function, select the amount and enter, and that's it. Here you can see I just select the cell and drag the formula below the cell, and here you see number is converted into real number. So this is so helpful. It's perfect when numbers are sorted as a text after importing the data. So that's it. So next, value to text function. The value to text function does the opposite. It convert a number into text. So in this data, you can see in salary column have a dollar amount. Okay. So when you click on this amount and go to the home tab in number, you can see the accounting format here showing. Okay. And when I select this cell, you can see the general format. Okay. So here I'm going to convert this accounting format in general format. It means the in real amount. Okay. So I just select this and use the is equal to and enter here the value to text. Okay. And select the cell and here press the enter, and that's it. You can see now this is a general format. When I select this cell, you can see in number group have a general format in home tab. Okay. And same as when I select this amount in number group, here you can see the accounting format here showing. Okay. Now I select the cell and drag this below the formula, and here you can see the real number is showing. Okay. So this is also so helpful value to this is useful when you need the numbers to appear as a text in the reports or the message. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.